Another top story we're following at this hour. More troubling news on the surge of COVID cases here in Jacksonville and how the Delta variant is driving the increase.
Younger, sicker, quicker. That's what we call the Delta variant. It attacks a younger population.
Administrators at Baptist Health now say there has been a 57% uptick in hospitalizations in just a week.
And they share the concerns of the staff at UF Health, which we shared with you yesterday. News4Jax reporters Corley Peel and Jim Piggott are continuing our coverage of the Delta variant and vaccines at 6. We begin with Jim live outside of Baptist Health. Jim.
You know, health officials are saying that we may have been letting our guard down a little bit too soon. And they talk about the recent increase we've seen in the cases. And they also talk about the severity of those cases, how sick some people are in the hospital now. You don't see many people in Jacksonville wearing masks anymore. That's evident with this lunch crowd. And of course, we have no idea who's been vaccinated and who has not. Chan Du is one person who got the shot and still can't believe others have not.
People are actually dying, and it's truly unfortunate in those situations, especially when the vaccine is so freely available.
That's what doctors at Baptist Health are stressing. In the past week, the interim chief medical officer, Dr. Timothy Groover, says they've seen a 57% increase in hospitalizations.
No one imagined that we'd see this number tick up so quickly.
Here's what's happening at the Baptist Health facilities. There are now 149 people hospitalized with COVID-19. Only 3 of them have had the vaccine. It's suspected about half of them may have the Delta variant. 31 people are in the ICU.
This virus this time around is seeking a younger host. And with that, we've seen that expressed by this one individual that's less than 40 years old who succumbed to the virus. And this is different because before, you know, it seemed that the original virus was giving younger people a pass.
We've been trying to get the records from the county health department about the number of variant cases in Jacksonville. Today, they just released some information saying that as of July 1st, there were 31 cases of the Delta variant in Duval County. But remember, that information is nearly 2 weeks old. So I'm standing in front of the state health lab here in the Springfield area. This is where they do some of the testing for the variant. Now, what we're told is it's just a random test, and it's really not an accurate picture of exactly what's out there. I did want to talk to health officials today on camera, but so far, they won't talk to us on camera about the procedures. So what does all of this mean, and what should happen now?
I think it's too soon to let your guard down. I think it's time now for us as a community to step it up and say, well, we see this spike. How are we going to respond to it? Given what we learned first time around, it's time for us to step up and be responsible and say, we're going to do the masking, we're going to do social distancing, we're going to get vaccinated.
You know, Dr. Groover is basically saying it's time for us to take responsibility. That means we have to make our own choice of wearing masks once again. And I'll tell you, I've been vaccinated. I don't like wearing these things. It is going to be a difficult choice, but that's what people are saying right now because of what's happening with the variant out there. For now, we're live at Baptist Health. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.
Jim, before we let you go, I know you also have an update on City Councilwoman Jacoby Pittman.
Well, that's right. I've been checking about her condition. You know, she came down with COVID. We were told that she was pretty serious. Today, talking to her council aide, she is getting better, but she's still in the hospital. We understand still at Baptist, but she is improving. I've been hearing that from a number of people. People have also been asking if she has been vaccinated before. That is a question that has not been answered at this point. Tom?
Jim Piggott reporting to us live. Thank you, Jim.